This tool is called a brace and bit. It's a method of drilling holes, so you can obviously use different types of drills. I tend to find that the brace and bit is the easiest thing to use for the children. It's really effective. This is a really old one. You can buy modern versions which are exactly the same. But it's a tool that's been around for a long time. So this is the brace here, and this is a bit. And you get the bits in all different sizes depending on the size of the hole that you want to drill. The key thing with these is to make sure that you're buying a bit which has either a square or a hexagonal end. If you buy a round bit, it won't fit in your brace and it'll slip around and be really difficult. So make sure you're looking for a square or a hexagonal end. The bit just goes in the end of the brace like this, and then we're going to tighten that up to make sure it's nice and tight and it doesn't slip. So once that's in there, that then is a sharp end. So obviously we're going to just maintain that safe working environment, making sure we're thinking about our safety bubble. And we're going to use a glove to just hold the piece of wood. So the easiest way to do this with the children is for you to hold the top of the brace and the piece of wood, and then the child comes in and turns the handle, which gives that lovely feeling of actually being involved with the work, but it's very controlled and it's very achievable. Because I'm doing this on my own, I'm going to need my other hand to be a working hand as well. And I'm just going to kneel so that I can put a little bit of pressure on the top here, holding onto the handle with my left hand, and then slowly working my way down. So in this instance, I'm drilling through a little wood slice, a wood cookie. And this can be really useful for obviously putting string through or threading things or all kinds of different purposes. Now see, it doesn't take long to get all the way through. As soon as we've got through, I'm just going to carefully remove that with my glove, keeping the blade pointing down. So this end is a sharp end, so it always needs to point down. And what we're going to do then is just poke the sawdust out of the hole. You can see you've got a nice clean hole there that's ready for threading. When we're finished, I like to store the bits in a separate place to the brace so that this sharp end isn't posing a hazard. So that's going to go away, that's going to go back away in the tool bag. And that's how we use brace and bit when we're working at Forest School.